my God. Brandon Miller, Nev. Thank you guys for filling break 435. We've got 4 boxes from a fresh case of Origins basketball. It's a brand new release. Let's see what it's all about. Good luck, everyone. Teams are on the right-hand side. Origins. This is a throwback product for us. We used to rip Origins. We would do one boxer Origins with like random divisions for basketball. I remember doing that several times. CLP was back there for that. All right, good luck, guys. All right, we have a Jalen Wells for the Grizzlies. Next up, Elevation Auto. AJ Johnson for the Bucks, 37 out of 150. That's an on card. Going to the Bucks and Joe. Filler team. And for the New York Knicks, we have a Dedit on the RPA. Going to the Knicks and Jack. Followed by, wow, 3 autos. And this is a Contenders auto. Rookie ticket, Dariq Whitehead. That's 23-24 too, right? Yeah, 23-24. What? Dariq Whitehead on-card auto for the Nets going to Joe. Excuse me? Then we have a Cosmic Storm, Anthony Edwards for the Timberwolves going to Clam Man. Next up, we have a Saloon 122 out of 299. And we have a Jalen Wells 51 out of 75 for the Grizzlies. Nice hit, CLP. Nothing too extravagant from that first box. $19 and $25. Jeez. Who's all playing right now? It's like 4v4 after all those ejections. Ventura. Ventura like hears his name and like springs up. All right, we have a DeAndre Ayton for the Blazers. Next up, we have a Terrence Shannon base for the Timberwolves. We have a redemption behind it. So we're going to go on to the next one. 9 of 10. Whoa. Bronny James. That is a disgusting patch. Brian. Oh my goodness. Bronny James, rookie jumbo jersey, 9 of 10. Jersey number match. Wow. Wow. Love him or hate him, that's nasty. Yeah, Brian wasn't here last week for the Curry auto or this. Cosmic Storm, 43 out of 75. Kyrie Irving for the Mavs. We have a Ja Morant, 97 out of 299. There's Brian. He's here for it. And then we have an 8 of 25. Wow, nasty blue color match. Paolo Banchero, 8 of 25. CLP picked the right box, man. CLP picked the right box. All right, and we have our redemption here. No idea what to expect here. Constellation Signatures Green. Card 1. Shaq? Wow. Shaq. I'm assuming Lakers, but we'll have to double check. We'll have to check on if someone can check what auto green is out of and what team check is on the checklist for. I'm assuming Lakers, but oh my god. Had too many tabs open. I was hoping to save them for later, but you know. All right, Dylan Jones. Next up, we have an Isaiah Collier, followed by rookie auto Yves Messi. On-card auto for the Pelicans going to House. Yeah, that'll get edited out 100%. Next up, another rookie auto Trey Alexander for the Nuggets. Next up, a Dawn rookie Jacoby Walters for the Raptors. And dub. I should have. And then 74 out of 299, DeJounte Murray. And 88 out of 99, LaMelo Ball for the Hornets. Should have thrown a bunch of speed Tops Now cards into the box. All right, and box number 4. Last box of the break. I would have done that if I had the presence of mind to even think about it right there. Yeah, the base numbered cards are super, super nice. All right, good luck, everyone. We have a Jaren Jackson. Next up, we have an Adem Bona on-card auto for the 76ers. Next up for the Pacers. Wow. Enrique Freeman, 9 of 10. Nasty patch. What the heck? 2 out of 10 patches. Gold RPA for the Pacers. And CLP. Next up, another Contenders auto. Rayan Rupert. 23-24 Contenders rookie auto. Rayan Rupert for the Blazers. Going to House. And an Origin Stories Luka. Is this a short print? We have an Origin Stories Luka. Going to the Mavs. And Jack. Finally, to close this out of 172 out of 299, Kobe White. And a 29 out of 60, Cam Thomas for the Nets. All right, here's our hits from the break. We have the Luka Origin Stories. Kobe White out of 299, Cam Thomas out of 60, Bona auto. Enrique Freeman, 9 of 10, RPA. Rayan Rupert, Shaq Green auto out of 5. Paolo out of 25, insane blue color match. Bronny James out of 10. I mean, that's got to be hit of the break, right? 9 of 10 on that Bronny. Jalen Wells out of 75. AJ Johnson auto. Dedit RPA. Derek Whitehead randomly. Saloon out of 299. Kyrie out of 75. Ja out of 299. Missy auto. Alexander auto. Jacoby Walter down. DeJounte Murray out of 299. And a LaMelo Ball out of 99. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you're interested in joining a break in the future, make sure to follow our Instagram or join Discord in the links below. Catch you guys next time.